combination with Kurkuri be Hindi?
Is the dal tadka. Mostly we know with the name of yellow dal. So yellow dal, as we mentioned before, that this tasty okra gonna be the best combination with these things. This is the boiled basmati rice that we cook with the jeera cumin. That's the best combination with this dal. Look at this steaming dal that goes with the rice. Take a scoop of it. Best vegetarian delicacy for the vegetarians and the vegans as well. Have a scoop of it. Oh my god. Wow. Take a combination of yellow moong dal and the red masoor dal. Half and half. Wash it in the clean water twice or thrice until you see the clear water. Take the water, double of your dal what you have. Add the onions, ginger, tomatoes, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, mix it well. A scoop of oil, keep the heat at medium heat, cover it, cook it for like about 20-25 minutes. Turn down the heat. Is ready for the tadka. Tadka is the we're gonna do it the stir fried onions, tomatoes, cumin seed, and the whole red chilies to be added in after we frying it in the oil. That's called tadka. So let's take the pan for the tadka, and that's why it's called dal tadka, by the way. Take a bit of oil, whole cumin seed, whole red chilies, dry whole red chilies, onions, ginger garlic chopped, tomatoes. We're gonna cook it till it's golden brown, and then now we're gonna add degi mirch. That's a Kashmiri red chili powder. That's not a spicy powder. That's just to give it a color and a texture. We're gonna add a little bit of the dal to this tadka. Again, tadka means that makes you're looking in the pan. So add a bit of the dal in it and then pour it back the whole stuff in the dal. There you go. And dal is ready to have, ready to serve. It's one of the all-time favorite of every Indian. They want to have it with the rice, or you can have it with the roti, naan, and the crispy bhindi, the kurkuri bhindi we made in the last video. That goes, perfect combination with this dal. So serve it together and enjoy it. Please subscribe, follow, and leave the comment. How do you like this video? Looking forward. Thank you.